Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with gaugegirltraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm a food scientist and chemical engineer, and in today's video, we are going to talk about the biggest weight loss myths that are destroying your progress. So let's get started. If you've been religiously tracking every single bite, hitting your macros daily like it's your job, but still not seeing results, got news for you. You have been lied to. And it's not your fault. The weight loss industry thrives on confusion, half-truths, and fear. But today we are going to clear the fog. Myth number one, if it fits your macros, works for everybody. Let's talk about this trendy little idea. The concept is that eat whatever you want as long as you stay within your macronutrient targets for the day, you are good to go. But here's the problem. Your body is not a spreadsheet, and most calculators online are complete garbage. So to even come up with the correct numbers, that means that there has to be a trustworthy source that you can accurately predict and calculate your own numbers. And the thing is, we need to stop outsourcing our health to algorithms and health apps that don't know pardon my French, a damn thing about your metabolism. They don't know anything about your hormones. They don't know anything about what you've been through, what's going on, where you've been, where you're trying to get. And that context matters when it comes to coming up with an accurate way to gauge and dictate how many calories you should be eating and the appropriate ranges of protein, carbs, and fat for your age, your sex, your hormones, and your metabolism. Myth number two is that obsessively tracking means control. So tracking apps out there, they're going to promise you control, but it can often lead in some individuals to obsession, anxiety, and burnout. And guess what? Most of them are up to 30% off on their calories estimates anyway. That's not control. That can be quite chaotic. You shouldn't need to scan every barcode, log every crumb to lose weight. If that is required, I'm here to tell you that you need to start having a better grasp of your meal structure, the elements and components that are needed on a given plate, how much total food you should be consuming in a day, how those things impact your hormones. Because if you're following a meal plan, and I say this to my clients all the time, it's not necessary to double track. Meaning if you know, I need this many ounces of fatty protein, I need this much high GI carbs, I need this much low GI carbs, and you're getting in those ranges and you're seeing progress and doing all those things, you don't need to double track. You can continue to follow that as a gauge and a guide. Myth number three, the scale tells the whole story. This could not be further from the truth. And the scale is a liar. Yes, I said it. Scale is a liar. It doesn't measure fat loss. It doesn't measure muscle gain. It doesn't account for water retention. It doesn't account for inflammation or hormonal shifts. When your weight hasn't moved, but you're down 2 pant sizes, that is progress, and the scale won't clap for you. So stop giving the scale so much power. Let me say this loud and clear. Your value is not in your macros. Your success is not in your scale, and your progress is not in your tracking app. I'm here to tell you what actually works. A strategy based on your body's unique chemistry, food quality, hormone balance, smart protein distribution, as well as sustainable habits, not gimmicks, not obsession, not starvation, disguised as discipline. So guys, if you are tired of spinning your wheels and you're ready to ditch the BS that has been holding you back, I would love for you guys to, number one, subscribe to the channel, but book a complimentary discovery call with me so we can discuss what would be the most effective approach for you. Take care, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.